Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change font size on Android. So all you have to do now is open the settings, especially in Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. But I use my other phone. This is the Oppo, but the setting is the same. You can go to the settings and type the font size. Here we go. There is a font and display size. You can tap it and tap again font and display size. Here we go. You can change your font. There is if you tap more, you can add a new fonts, of course. And also this is the font size that you can adjust. There's a small one, a bit small, normal, slight large, and very large. And also there's display size here that you can try to adjust. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.